Many individuals love books, but few consider turning them into a career. Thank goodness YouTube allows that. No camera, fame, or pricey equipment required. If you love reading, analyzing, or talking about books, you can create an anonymous YouTube channel that educates and pays you money. Step-by-step instructions are in this video. We'll discuss the book niche's great potential, the ideal hidden channel, the minimal tools you'll need, the material you can create, and most significantly, how this converts into real cash. Keep reading because I'll provide some practical suggestions most novices miss. Part 1. The opportunity. The size of the YouTube audience. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Billions of people visit the platform every month, and not all of them are there just for entertainment. Educational and knowledge-based content has exploded in popularity over the past few years. People search for book summaries, study guides, life lessons, and even complete audiobooks. This creates an enormous opportunity for anyone who can create valuable content around books. The global book industry. The global book market is worth over $100 billion, and while physical book sales are steady, ebooks and audiobooks are growing quickly. Apps like Audible, Blinkist, and Kindle are proof that millions of people are still eager to learn from books, but they prefer convenient formats like audio and video. By creating a YouTube channel focused on books, you tap into this ongoing shift from traditional reading to digital consumption. Low competition in the niche. Compared to gaming or lifestyle content, the book niche has far fewer creators. This means there's less competition, which makes it easier for new channels to grow. A well-structured Faceless channel with consistent uploads can quickly stand out, especially if you focus on a single genre or a unique presentation style. Part 2. The channel idea. Book summary channels. One of the most effective ideas is a channel that summarizes books. These videos usually condense the main lessons or stories into short, engaging summaries that save viewers time. Busy people who don't have hours to read still want to know what a book is about, and your video gives them that in under 10 minutes. Successful examples already exist, and many have millions of views, which shows just how much demand there is. Top 10 and recommendation channels. Another popular approach is creating list-style videos such as Top 10 Self-Help Books to Change Your Life or 5 Business Books Every Entrepreneur Should Read. These videos appeal to people looking for guidance and inspiration, and because lists naturally create curiosity, they perform very well on YouTube. They also allow you to recommend multiple books in one video, increasing your chances of affiliate sales. Deep dive analysis channels. If you enjoy dissecting stories, you could build a channel that analyzes books in detail. For example, exploring themes in The Great Gatsby or breaking down character development in a Harry Potter novel. This type of content attracts viewers who want more than just a summary. They want insights and thoughtful discussion. Audiobook-style channels. Another option is narrating public domain books. Classics by authors like Shakespeare, Mark Twain, or Jane Austen are legally free to use. You can record yourself reading them or use AI-generated narration. These videos have long-term value since people are always searching for full audiobooks online. Part 3. The tools you need. Recording tools. The first tool you need is a way to record audio. A simple USB microphone like the Blue Snowball, Samson Meteor, or Fifine is more than enough to produce professional quality sound. If you're shy or don't like recording your voice, AI voice generation tools like Murph, AI or 11 Labs can create natural-sounding narrations. Editing software. Once you have audio, you need software to put everything together. Free tools like DaVinci Resolve, CapCut, or Shotcut are excellent for beginners. If you want more advanced options, Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro give you more control. The editing doesn't have to be complicated. Clean audio, clear text on screen, and some visuals are enough to keep viewers engaged. Visual resources. You don't need a camera or to record yourself on screen. Instead, use free stock footage and images from sites like Pexels, Pixabay, or Unsplash. Canva and InVideo also let you create visuals, slides, and even animated explainer videos. Adding these elements makes your videos look professional and helps illustrate book concepts. Scripting tools. You'll also need scripts for your videos. You can write them yourself based on your notes or use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate outlines and drafts. Just make sure to rewrite and personalize the script so it matches your style and doesn't sound robotic. SEO and thumbnails. Finally, don't forget discoverability. Use TubeBuddy or vidIQ to research keywords and create titles that people are actually searching for. For thumbnails, Canva is perfect. A clean design with bold text and book-related imagery increases your click-through rate. Part 4. Content ideas. Direct book summaries. Summaries are the backbone of book-related channels. For example, you could make a video titled Atomic Habits by James Clear, book summary. Break it into 3 to 5 lessons and explain each with examples. These videos are evergreen, meaning they'll attract views for years. Book versus movie comparisons. Another engaging idea is comparing books with their movie adaptations. Fans love to debate what the film got right or wrong compared to the original text. For example, a video on the differences between the Harry Potter books and movies could reach millions of fans worldwide. Themed recommendation lists. Lists are very powerful because they package multiple recommendations into one video. You can create themes like 10 books that will make you smarter or best fantasy books for beginners. Each book recommendation gives you a chance to insert affiliate links. Lessons from authors. You can also create videos that highlight lessons from famous authors. For example, 5 writing lessons from Stephen King, or how J.K. Rowling overcame rejection to publish Harry Potter. These videos are inspiring and often reach beyond just book lovers. Part 5. How you make money. YouTube ad revenue. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. Ads will start playing on your videos, and you'll earn a share of the revenue. Since book videos usually have longer watch times, they often earn more per view compared to short entertainment clips. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate links are one of the biggest income sources for book channels. By joining Amazon Associates, you can include links to every book mentioned in your videos. When viewers click and buy, you earn a commission. Over time, as your library of videos grows, these links create a steady stream of passive income. Sponsorships. Book-related services such as Audible, Blinkist, or Skillshare often sponsor YouTube channels. Once you have a loyal audience, you can land sponsorships that pay hundreds or even thousands per video. These deals are very common in the book niche because your audience is highly targeted and valuable. Merchandise and digital products. Another way to make money is by creating book-themed merchandise like bookmarks, posters, or reading journals. You can also sell digital products such as study notes, book guides, or reading challenges. These products give you control over your income instead of relying only on ads. We've just gone through the entire roadmap for turning your passion for books into a faceless YouTube channel. We looked at the opportunity, explored different channel ideas, covered the tools you'll need, shared powerful content ideas, and finally explained how to monetize your work. So don't wait. Pick a channel idea today. Grab a microphone or AI voice tool and upload your first video this week. Your first video doesn't need to be perfect. What matters is starting. Now let me know in the comments, what kind of book channel would you start? A summary channel, a top 10 list channel, or maybe audiobook narrations? I'd love to hear your ideas. If this video gave you value, remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more faceless YouTube strategies, and share this video with a friend who loves books. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.